So we are going to share simplest trick to stop Google and Facebook from tracking down your web history. The steps seem might lengthy, but if you understand it properly, it is easy and simple. So let's get started. So Facebook is tracking your web history because they have to show you ads according to your interests. So it really frustrated any and many of the people. So if it does frustrate you, so let's follow this step. Your phone or desktop or PC, anything you are working with. So what you have to do, just add this add-on on your Chrome. This method will work both on PC and smartphone. Click the link in the description called AdBlock. It is an open source extension. One can easily get this extension on Chrome. It will stop Facebook from tracking your web history, and yeah, so you need to add this extension to your Chrome. So just click on this add to desktop and then click on add to desktop again. Yeah, so it says added on desktop. After this added, probably you will see that Facebook will not track you, or they will not give you ad. So moving on to the next step, if it doesn't work, by the way it will work, but in some cases if it doesn't work, what do you have to do? So talking about next steps, the Digital Alliance, and the link will be in the description, so you will go to the website easily. So now head over to the website and now follow me, so it will be easier to do that thing in your phone. So after loading, let it load first. It's first scan what are the websites that are tracking your phone or tracking your web history. So let the website scan your web history and then we'll look at it. So it's 62, let it be 100%, then we'll go to the process. So it says status check. Now we'll just click continue, and now scroll down. I am still saying it, and I have told you before that this method will work both on desktop, PC and your mobile devices. So what you have to do, just scroll down till you see Facebook. You can do any of the website with this, or any of the like Facebook and all that. So just scroll down till you see Facebook. Let me first found it. So here is F list and here is Facebook. As you can see, just click yes, and now what you have to do is just click on submit choice. Let me just click on it. So after that completes, it says 100% completed. View update result, you can view the result of it, and it will basically never allow Facebook to track your web history, and Facebook will never give you ad. So that is the best thing about it. So moving towards the third step, just go to your Facebook app or website and click on these three bars, and after that what you have to do, scroll down till you see account settings, and after clicking on account settings, scroll down and click on ads, then go to ad settings. After clicking on ad settings, there are two of the questions, and here is written ad based on my uses of website and apps. Click on that and click here off, and then go back, select the other one and do it no. you have to do it. And yeah, after that you have done, they will not show you ad and they will not track Google from tracking you. You need to visit page called ad personalization and unselect the option. Also use Google account activity and information to personalize ads on the website and app. Store that data in your Google account. Now you will be shown a pop-up which asks you don't include additional activity. You just need to click exclude option. So don't worry, I will show you how to do it. First step, you need to log into your Gmail account in Chrome. So after logging in, now click on the three dot icon as you're seeing on my device. So just click on that and click on activity controls. I'm doing it right, I think so. So now step 2 comes. It will open accounts and history. So history setting, you need to pause web and app activity and location history device information. So what you have to do, just off them all. Pause, just click on that pause. I think that will work. I clicked on pause. So now let's see what comes. After that, click on that location history, just off that all. Again click on pause. Now click on that device information. Again click on pause. And scroll down, there is voice and audio library, voice and audio activity. Again click on pause and off them all. And the last one is YouTube web history, YouTube watch history. Pause this also. So it will basically not track your web history, so it will not track you then, and it will not show you ads. So that's how it will work. And after that, all the things you have done, that's it. After following this method, you're not sharing privacy with Facebook and Google, and they will not track you and they will not show ads relevant to you. So below that, this is the safest method to avoid the tracking of Facebook and Google. And not only you can use this method on Facebook or Google, you can share this video and tell among your friends that this is the method that will work and stop Google and Facebook from tracking you down your web history. So if you found this video helpful, just click on that like button, and if you can hit the subscribe button, it will really help me out. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. It's been Pranav and I am signing off.